Hi, we're here to show you PA12, the newest material for the H350. This nylon material has a higher stiffness and heat deflect temperature than PA11, making it a great material for functional prototypes, machine components, and parts that need high chemical resistance. It's best suited for industries such as automotive, industrial machinery, and consumer goods. Now let's take a look at some of our new PA12 parts. Up first, we have a filter housing. The thread on this bad boy requires high accuracy and resolution to fit with its corresponding part, which is why PA12 was chosen because its accuracy is consistent. Up next, we have a connector housing. PA12 created a smooth surface for readable text, and it was critical for the center-to-center mounting holes to be accurate as well. Now, this electronics box has a removable lid, electronic inputs, a dual pin power connector HDMI, and a micro USB hole. This part shows the intricacy and geometric accuracy that PA12 can provide. Ooh, okay, now this is a capability part because it has multiple features that show the unique capabilities of PA12. Ooh, I mean look, it's got a chain, a nut, a screw thread, and some other cool details. Well, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions regarding PA12 or SAF technology, please stop by our tech center or give us a call.